here to Harbor Freight. Back here and look at the road shock lights. See what they got. Alright. There's all the lights here. Need something kind of like this, I think. That'd be too big. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab and pick me up one of these. Yeah, I think this one's gonna work. Looks like what we need. Blood. Be great for on top of the high deck there. So yeah, let's get on out of here. Alright, I'm gonna go pay and I'll get back with you after that. Alright, we got her. Let's boogie on out of here. Whoop. Alright, we got that. Man, I'm getting sunburnt out here. Woo! Alright, let's get this thing together and we'll be ready to rip tomorrow for the 4th. I'll see you back up at the boat. It's a hot one out here today. Getting up to 84 right now. Just 1 o'clock. Supposed to be like 97 tomorrow, 4th of July day. Be a great day out on the river. Luckily, when I got to make trips to Harbor Freight and stuff like that, I don't live that far away. It takes me 5 minutes to get there. Leaving downtown Lewiston, now we go up this little grade here. Up here's what they call the orchards. It's the area I live in, the orchards. There, O'Reilly's right there. Nice Bronco. Alright, well, we'll see you at home. Alright, I'm back, gang. Let's get me some more water. Let's get up in here. Okay, I got in a big hurry today, and I forgot to record some stuff for you guys. And so I'll show you what I got going on. I had this navigation light broke off on me a couple years ago, and I accidentally broke the spot floodlight off, and it lights up the high deck here at night and stuff like that. So if you're bringing fish in at night or whatever you're doing, camping or something, you can turn that light on. So what I've got going is I got all that off. I got a new navigational light here, and that new road shock light is going to go right there. So that's what we're working on right now. So I'll be right back. Alright, so far I got this mounted on there. Come with its own little bracket that screws in there. Mounts down through here with a bolt. It's adjustable. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. Now it's got really long wiring harness. I got to get this stuff hooked up and ground in the power. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Alright guys, we got some of this hooked up. Got everything hooked together there. Now we're gonna test this thing out and make sure that everything's gonna come on. Alright guys, I've got this just kind of temporarily hooked up here. Let's go up here and check the stuff. So we need anchor light and floodlight. Let's go check it out, see what we got. Hey, look at that. Floodlight, anchor light. Hey, we got her. That's awesome. Hallelujah. Alright, let's get this thing tucked up and everything put away good, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright gang, there you have it. I ran the wire up over the top of this, brought the plug in over here, plugged it in, got it kind of zip tied up right there out of the way. Everything is working. So yeah, I say that's a success. So I'm sweating like crazy out here today. It's hot, pushing 90 now. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you out on the water.